ko na. Hello guys, my name is Karen. Welcome to Karen's show. And my guest is the Despedido boy. Francis, Mr. Francis, wave to my fans.
Hi fans!
So, where are you going, Francis?
Well, mostly because I want to see my
Where?
Where? You said where? I thought you said why.
Sorry.
Nagbungol na tatanan.
I'm sorry. I'm going to Brisbane, so it's around somewhere in Australia.
When are you going there?
Around 16, December 16.
Why are you going there?
Basically, because I want to see my parents.
How are you going there?
Yes.
I'm not sure. I think I'm going to take a plane ride, going back and forth, or something like that. Because I'm double riding with I'm taking 2 rides. First ride going, there's no direct flight kasi. Punta na sa Singapore, then Australia.
What airlines are you going to?
Silk Air.
Silk Air. The Silky Air, you know?
Yeah, you know yung parang Ella.
Sige, what can you say to our barkada?
Kita-kits na lang tayo kapag babalik. Party tayo pagbalik na ako, ha?
Damn you! Sayaw? No! Unya, ano pagdagan mo?
Pangkitan.
Sayaw na yan kami. Sige, I don't wanna cry muna. Maya na lang. So,
Zoom.
part 2 will be later. The others arrive na. So, for
Filipino time.
Filipino time. So, like, yeah. You say,
See you again for part 2.
Narinig ko na namatay na ang dog mo. Bakit namatay ang dog mo?
magulang ba po, nagilak-hilak na.
Story mo ba? Kasi wala mong gichika sa akin. Wala tayo nakita for ilang weeks.
Gani, nani siya kaya sa aming balay, mga good. Diba, sa neighborhood na mga dila na face, kami na lang mga nakawatan dito. So, kami ang nainteresahan na dyan maayo ba. Ang first, tulungan ang mga this year. Ang first, kung si Abno namatay.
Bakit Abno?
Si Mami, gulo ng pangalan na kuya kasi yung pangalan giro, Abno ug Tambok.
Ako kasi Britney.
Britney, ayaw mo.
Sige, continue.
Anyway, si Abno na namatay. Ang pagkamatay ba siya kanang nagbulag-bulag, kanang nahalata mo.
Narilis siya?
Hindi, kanang gilaso, tungkol. Kami na pag-gilaso na ng aroma. Wala ang din. Matets mo.
Anong kakain? Tsokolate?
Wala nga, di siya ko nagkapulang tsokolate. Kaya mo na itong sa iro na mo itong mga few years ago.
Diba naman ko kasi malasa na yung silabas mo ng anak, di ba?
Pag itong few years ago, itong dapo ng mga iro namatay, tapos namin nakita ang chocolate, good na chocolate wrapper na ginabay din na ito.
Kinain mo?
Siguro.
Wala, kaon naman dyan na zero.
Kauna mo dyan na, basta na yan.
Unrestrained kaayo.
Tapos si Abno na, mga ito, namatay. Ay ka
Kaya
na.
pala pangalan niya, Abno.
Ha?
Kaya pala pangalan niya, Abno.
Abno. Tapos, itong mga 2 weeks ago, si Tambok.
Namatay pa si Tambok?
Ay,
Grabe, sunod-sunod.
sunod-sunod gani. Tapos, diba, mga 2 Thursdays ago, good, dito namatay.
Nga, ano saan ang kamatian na ngayon? Hindi lang siya bula-bula.
Bulag ako sa kasukang tubo. Tapos kung kung after na kay Tambok, mga last Thursday, si Gucci na katong iro pa din
Na,
ang chef. Ha?
Tatlo na.
Irot gani.
Ano ang igurot? Ano sa man yung nangyari?
Para wala'y bantay.
Oo. Tapos si Gucci manggod kay, nakailang kong taman kay si Gucci ba yan kay, mobile dito itong iro na, ako yung iro pa, papi pa ako na nagalaga good ato. So, 9 years ago to. 9 years.
Nakapansin ko kay Murag na nag-chika naman kasakan, namatay mong iro. Tapos pagtanong ako sa imong Facebook, dili, abi na same lang to na iro. Wala pa ni siya ka-get over. Tapos lahi na dito na iro.
Ito eh. Ang sila, Sean na niyo. So pagka si Gucci na. Pero ang kaya wala na suka-suka si Gucci. Pero nag-reggae, wala siya kaon na.
Nag-iinit ka ba?
No, kayo. Ha?
Ay, si JB.
Ang space mo natin yung mga ano, conflict na ba?
Oh, we have a guest.
another
2
one.
guests.
Si Jai kasama niya.
Jai.
Video. Adik ni. Ano na lang videohan mo? So,
Welcome our 2 guests. Jai and Sean.
sa di mo rin Karen show?
This is Karen's show, bitches.
I thought that show's fucking dead. Ano na nagsabi ng white shirt and jeans?
Wow, ligid dyan. Ha? Ligid ka doon dyan.
Yes, this shit, bro. I told you, man. I'm on the way.
Say hello, Karen's show. Yeah. This is Jai. This is Sean's girlfriend. And my husband also. And yeah. Wait.
Kailan po?
Kaya nailan na to si Jai. The meeting of Jai and Francis Jai. Jai Francis.
Shake their hands. Uy, paupo.
Sean Francis.
Sean, Karen.
Oh! Bye!
Aray.
Yeah, and Janine.
Janine mo? Hindi na mo rin si Janine.
Nagkita na dyan mo!
Shantaret to caller.
Interview na na to.
Sige, interview na sila.
Buhay na sa tangkar. Welcome to Karen's show. This is part 2. Francis. And today we have another guest, 2 guests. Those are extras. Yeah. This is Jai. And this is Sean. So, tell us about both of you guys. So, what's up?
Kaya mo naman ba? May mo trip.
My fans are waiting.
Sabi ko, tama kita mag-English, of course. Ay, pag-English.
Tara, huwag sa video. So, yeah. Tell us about your love life.
Ato na sila pito. Connection. Ato na sila pito.
To answer this question, no.
Not daw sila. Tayo natin na si JP. Tayo natin na si JP.
They're not answering my question.
The answer to your question is...
Look at the camera.
Ato na sila pito. That's the question. Like, that's the question.
To answer the question.
Balik-balik lagi sa ako.
Mugani.
I-record yun na yan. That's seryoso na.
Yeah, seryoso dyan na.
Don't watch my shows.
Sila may family nagdating.
Oh my. Katuan na to, no?
Sila may baby. Basa kasi dito. Ay,
Oh boy, this is gonna be very
Mugani. Anyway, guys, answer my question. Tell us about your love life. How much do you love each other?
kung saan din na pag-measure ka rin. Ken.
Yes, I know. Anyway. Answer! Hindi ka answer. So, sige, tingnan na lang. How much do you love each other? Isum-sum ang numbers. Zoom ang numbers. Zoom.
Ano ba yung kasi
Feel na lang itong drama between us. Ay, sige, the meeting, the two persons Jai, Sean, Jai, Francis.
Over here. Over here.
Later, we're focusing on Francis. Francis.
Hello.
So, yeah. Kung ano sa pamuna nagkailan ito ng makawa ito. Kasapay dyan mo sa
kalibutan ka rin.
Ay, wait.
Shut up!
Wait. Ano ba yung una ka kayo? Nag-curl up ka din. Nagigigid din ka. Nagigigid din ka ba?
Hindi makita mo ba ang pao?
Gawin ka ng slow ka.
Balong, dili.
Grabe, igigigid ka rin mo.
Dili, kapalo ba ka nauna ko? Nalinis ako. Oh my God.
Konnichiwa Tiger?
Sinahangin ako dyan. Nag-practice na yata sa inyo tayo. Naman? Sa problema mo?
Lunggo mo na.
Tiger?
Release your new tiger.
Buksan na!
Release your new tiger. Anyway.
Mawutana na po na siya.
Yes, no.
Yeah, that is the question.
Sige, sige.
Do you want to destroy the world? Yes. I would love to. I answer yes.
Okay, okay. Do you want to part?
Destroy. If it means to destroy the whole world, yes.
Okay. Which do you prefer? Ube na lasang tae ay tae na lasang ube?
Pwede man wala na lang, no?
No, you have to pick one.
Ano man?
Wala, required siya.
Ano man?
It takes to destroy the world.
requirement siya?
Kay,
Madaog ko? May 1 million? Na 8,000 lang?
choose one.
8,000 na?
No, it's like, no.
Munda ko tayo mong boobs para sa iya, ha?
Sige, sige, nani siya. Question, random question. Random question time!
Random question.
Sige, Francis.
Ano yun?
Team Edward na team dapat
Edward.
dapat na question number 1.
Edward.
Team Edward or Team Jacob?
Team Edward. You fucking won. You nailed it.
Si Francis. Francis.
I have to go with Jacob.
Si Jacob, Sean.
Let me speak. Si Jacob. Wala siya Guido. Guido me. Enough said. Enough said.
So remember Team Jacob.
Edward. He nailed her. Got a cool vampire slash human shape.
Oh, where's him?
And he was in battle. And why are you not?
I didn't really think Edward was that cool. I didn't really like him.
Debating, no, stop.
He's not cool, but he nailed her.
Wait,
He won. That's all.
No, stop sila debating.
What was it, Lord?
Dili good. Nawang good to ni mo manyakis.
What am I okay, love?
Sa ano?
Lamiting love.
Kagod na si Sina.
Na.
Wait.
Huwag natin yung...
Ambush. Wait, Karen.
Tingnan natin yun.
Janine!
Hello.
Hindi naman kasi Janine.
Pakarapan sa pagkita-inay ka ng Here's Francis' brother, JV. Say hello. What can you say?
I'm speechless.
Okay. No, he's so stylish. He's going for what style?
Rocker.
Rocker. Yes, rocker. Tama, JV. This is Sean's girlfriend.
You don't know me, man. Dude, what happened to you? Dude, America
That's
happened.
JV.
I will warn you. You go to Australia, shit's gonna go down, man.
While waiting for the others,
Looking for the others. We will now talk about Karen.
no, we're gonna wait. Let's
No, let's
Sean and Jai show.
no. Welcome to our show with our guest Karen.
With our guest
With our guest
Karen.
Karen, go talk to the campground. Do it now.
How is love life?
We took over your show.
How is love life?
How is your love life? How is it? How is he? How is the bug-eyed tarsier doing? Like I can imagine him in a tree. He's like doing the thing, like when the tarsiers old, and then he's looking at you with those big creepy eyes. He's like, yeah, I want to touch everything.
How is the
Do you own your
is Josh.
How are all the other guys?
You know that this is going to be
Yeah.
right?
I know.
Beep lang ang pangalan, hindi pa ang pangalan.
No. No. No.
Okay, anyway.
Yeah, answer our question.
I have no love life, guys. Why are you loving me? Okay, what are you doing? Karen! Oh!
No, no.
Hey guys, sabay sila na.
Yes. Younger people. Say hello to younger people.
So, going back. I'm over here over social shop. And today we'll be talking about our very sad friend Karen. Zoom in that shit. Because you're a loser.
Oh, wala na mahingon. These are shows, so you answer our question.
Why are you rubbing it in, guys? I have no love life. I have no love. You know what it feels like to be alone all the time? Bush. We saw Bush.
No. You know what? Bush is trending. He has a good girlfriend.
Yeah.
Even the other Bush, you know.
I dumped him. I dumped them.
He dumped you. Because apparently they were cheating on you the whole time.
The way you rub the something.
I will now just play Vita and
Uy, bye ka to what? Itong show. Sige, convert. Our show will be converted na naman. So, game show! Okay, Sean, what games can you recommend for us? Shit just got serious.
Gusto mo set na
We're gonna wait for us. Okay lang. Sige, go!
okay lang ako. Sabay na wait for the words.
Oh, what the fuck?
Walat na lang.
Tayo kasi! Go, patay. Sige. This these are gamers. Gamers.
Games.
We play games. Gaming is a serious thing. When somebody says games can't do shit, no. Karen, tell me games don't mean shit.
Games don't need no shit.
See, that's what happens to you. So if you want to game, just do whatever the fuck you want. Just, leave us alone.
What games can you recommend for us, Mr. Barreto? Mrs. Barreto?
Games for you?
No! Games for other people.
For you?
No, for other
For
people.
you? Angry Birds. Let's go with the very retarded games. Angry Birds. I mean, the gameplay is very redundant. I mean, you shoot a bird through a slingshot, and they're angry, but they die after. Then you just kill fat pigs with weird shit on them.
When you play Angry Birds, you get angry. That's the whole point of the game.
Nope. It's stupid.
Yes, it's stupid, but
Why are you following me?
because
These are games for you.
You know that kind of feeling that you hate that game, certain game, but you still can't help but play.
Why is she still talking? Somebody shut her up.
No, this was supposed to be fun. No.
It's not your show. Going back. Another game for Karen is nothing. Because, it's okay. Karen. Giant fat Karen.
Remy, baby.
Who did?
It's a baby. It's a baby. It's the baby. They live in the very, very city area. They're always under the care of the people called. Now these brothers take care of the baby. And the baby becomes big. And if they raise the baby wrongly, they become like this.
Are you saying that my
You,
mother
no, they tried their best. You, my good friend. I will not say anything else because you will fucking kill me. Red hair.
and the former Justin Bieber hair. Former
The Miley Cyrus hair.
Oh yeah.
Yes, it is.
No. Another guest, Franzi Miranda. Wow. Maybe. Welcome. Stop that. Welcome to my show. That's their show.
You should focus on them, please.
Okay, well let's ask Z a question. Franzi, how are you today? I want to sleep.
Tulog na.
Why do you want to sleep?
Tulog na.
Somebody's leaving na.
Tulog.
How can you sleep, woman?
Alas 11 naman. Alas 11. Alas 12 sumagot ko na talaga.
Ayan na si Karen.
Welcome!
Hindi. Kailangan mo siya ng
Siya lagi yung sabay.
Kagani.
Hello, Carlos' girlfriend. Hello, Carlo. Hello, Mr. Driver. Bakit sa kutsi mo dito? Oh my God! Welcome to my show! Bye! This is Pito. And he's driving now. Anyway!